The official technical services have improved in recent years, and still is to stay without a computer for at least a week and pray that nothing happens to him or lose the shipment. Currently, there are 19 U.S. states that urgently consider the right to repair legislation. This comes to be the possibility that the tools, guides, pieces, etc. are open to the public. If you have a MacBook Pro 2018, you must know that you will not be able to deliver it to an unauthorized technical service, since to carry out the repair, Apple's AST2 security software would be necessary. All MacBook Pro 2018, and even the next generation iMac Pro, have the security chip T2 Apple. The AST2 software is used to diagnose the device and is only available at Apple's facilities, so only your employees can use the Apple Service Toolkit.